So hi and hello. Welcome to our channel named Algo Exploration. My name is Sameer and today we will going to continue about counting sort. So actually this is a part 2 of counting sort. If you haven't seen the part 1 then the link is in the description box. Now in the previous lecture we have seen how to sort an array when actually the data is positive, and today we will be continuing when actually the data is negative. So let's get started. So what if the elements are negative, right? Firstly we have to find the maximum and minimum. Here the maximum is 4 and minimum is 8, right? So let's write it. Maximum is 4 and minimum is 8. Now we have to create an auxiliary array of size max minus min plus 1. So let's create it. The size of an auxiliary array will be 4 minus or minus 8 plus 1. That will be 13, right? So this is the auxiliary array of size 13. Now observe here, this is actually a count frequency array, right? We have seen it. So let's find the occurrences of the element present in an array A. The occurrence of element minus 8 is actually 1. The occurrence of element minus 1 is 1. Occurrence of 2 is 2. Occurrence of 3 is also 2. And occurrence of 4 is 1, right? But where to put it? There is no index called minus 8. So how we can put minus 8 in an count frequency array? There is one formula, that element minus minimum value, right? This will be actually minus 8. We have calculated. Now let's put it. Minus 8 will go in minus 8 minus of minus 8. It will be 0. So minus 8 will go in C of 0. The occurrence is 1 here. So we will put here 1. Now where will minus 1 will go? Minus 1 minus of minus 8, right? So this will be minus 1 plus 8. That will be 7. So minus 1 will come here, right? That will be 1, the occurrence. Now where will 2 will go? Let's calculate it. 2 minus of minus 8. That will be 2 plus 8. That will be 10. So 2 will come here. The occurrence is actually 2. Where will 3 will go? 3 minus of minus 8. That will be 3 plus 8. That will be 11. So 3 will come here, and occurrence of 3 is actually 1. Now all the vacant cell will be 0, right? So this is actually a count frequency of every element present in an array A. Now our third step is we have to find the cumulative frequency array, and we have seen it, how to create a cumulative frequency. So the formula is C of I equals to C of I plus C of I minus 1, where I will be starting from 1, right? And C of 0 is actually C of 0 only. C of 0 will be 1 only. What will be C of 1? It will be C of 1, that will be 0, plus C of 0, that is 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. Here also it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. What will be C of 7? It will be C of 7, that is 1, plus C of 6, that is 1. So this will be 2. C of 8 will be 0 plus C of 7, that is 2. So 0 plus 2 will be 2. This will also be 2. What about C of 10? It will be 2 plus 2, that will be 4. And C of 11 will be 2 plus 4, that will be 6. And C of 12 will be 1 plus 6, that will be 7. So this is our cumulative frequency array. Okay. Now our final step is that we have to build an array which is similar to the previous one. Now observe here, we will come from A of 6, take the element that is minus 1, then we will decrement it by minimum value, that is minus 8. So minus of minus 8, that will be minus 1 plus 8. This will be 7. We will go at C of 7, that is 2. take the element, decrement it by 1, that will be 1, and we will go at b of 1 and put -1 here. And here also we will decrement it, that will be 1 now. I hope you got it. Now we are at a of 5. We will take the element that is 3 minus of -8, that will be 3 plus 8, that will be 11. We will go at 11, take the element that is 6, do it -1, that will be 5, and we will come at b of 5 and put 3 here and decrement it by 1, that will be 5. Now we are at a of 4. We will take the element that is 3 again, 3 minus of -8, that is 11 only. Now we will go at c of 11. Here element 5 is present, decrement it by 1, that will be 4, and put, that will be 4, come at b of 4 and put 3 here and decrement it by -1, this will be 4 now. Now we are at a of 3. Here element is actually -8, so -8 minus of -8, that will be 0. So come at c of 0, element here is actually 1, right? Decrement it by -1, that will be 0, and come at b of 0 and put here -8 and decrement this, that will be 0 now. Now we are at a of 2. Here element is 2, 2 minus of -8, that will be 10. Come at c of 10. Here element is 4, right? Do -1, that will be 3. Come at b of 3, put here 2 and decrement this, that will be 3 now. Again a of 1. Here element is 2, 2 minus of 8, that will be 10. Come at c of 10. Here element is 3, do -1, that will be 2, and come at b of 2 and put 2 here and decrement this. Now we are at a of 0. Here element is 4, do 4 minus of -8, that will be 12. Come at c of 12. Here element is 7, do -1, that will be 6. Come at b of 6, put here 4 and decrement this value, that will be 6 now. And we can see that now the array b is actually in a sorted order. So in this way we sort an array when the elements are negative. Let's see the pseudocode here. We will be calculating first the minimum value, this will take n time. Then find the maximum value, this will also take n time. Then calculate the range. The formula for range will be maximum minus minimum plus 1. We have seen it, right? Now we will create an auxiliary array which actually stores the frequency of every element present in an array key, right? Then we will create an output array. We will call it as b. After that we will count the frequency array which will take n time. Then here we will be creating a cumulative frequency array. This will also take n time, right? And this is actually a build array. This step will take n time. Actually this will be the range. The time taken will be actually range. Now n plus n plus n plus n, right? So 4n plus range, which will be order of n plus range. Let's say k is actually range, so order of n plus k. So this is actually the time complexity of a counting sort. Now what will be the space complexity? It will be order of n, because we are taking extra space to count the frequency array. So this is space complexity and this is time complexity. So I hope you got it. This will also run when the data is positive also. Now in the next lecture, we will see radix sort. So thank you.